trying out this new silver-lit RC helicopter.
In this video we ought to be using the helicopter, the drone and the RC car as well.
I got that. I have that.
Okay, I'll show you the batteries quickly while it's upside down. So you got this one, which is a standard plasma 2000 mAh. God knows what it is. It's a standard battery, but it isn't too fast. Can't really show you because it ran out earlier.
Comes with the
in the video.
Comes with the car.
Yeah, standard. But okay. Okay, and yeah, you got a tour of the car. So this is the radio, which is just standard one-channel radio with steering. Like, if you put thing on the car, this is just steering. So it's just like that. Start off like that, this is like that. So if you want to put it into centre, you just like that. Then you got the throttle, which makes it go forward automatically. I don't know why you want that, or reverse. Wiper is just neutral. Then you got the don't know what this one is actually. God knows. Put it back to what it is. You'll find this all on the website. This is the aerial. Then batteries, slide in here. These are standard batteries, which came like in with the car. Then so if you want to see the other battery, can't get this back in. So if you want to see the other battery of the car out, you can always put this in. These pins hurt though. You can put it in the description as well. God, that's hot. So it's a XF power 3600 mAh 2S lipo RC.
Link in the description.
Yeah, made in China. Good quality.
Good quality.
Stay.
Right.
So let's just put this pin here.
Get back onto giving this a good old go.
Okay. Just put this back in. Just drop back in there. Pin back in. Ready to go.
And away he goes.
Oh Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
Oh yeah! Oh my God, it's going.
I probably wouldn't put it too high, Ewan.
That's high. Oh my gosh, dropping.
Yeah, Ewan, it's not quite as impressive as like that one. Yeah, Ewan, you should do a tribute to that helicopter. Okay, it's a.
Oh.
What a great tribute this is.
Tribute! Oh no!
Ewan, you're losing. Ewan.